Okay, here's the engine bay. I left it running. So that whole fender area, I know the air box is in the way, but none of that is wrinkled, so it's not like it got reused after an accident. Nobody hammered it back out and reused it. All fresh, both sides. That whole side is good. Firewall, perfect. Still got all the insulation. Yeah, none of that is messed up. Your wheel well, new or OEM, I don't, you know, it's not reused at least. Same here. Airbox gets in my way there, intake, but oh well. Some AC stuff in the way too. Okay, this side got the fuse box and the battery, so it's still kind of hard to tell. Well, not really. Sorry, I was filming another fuse box. Yeah, nothing, no wrinkling, nothing going on there. Get this thing to focus. Okay, fan spinning, no wobbling. None of the pulleys wobble, tensioner spinning, AC compressor, alternator, power steering. No weird noises too. It doesn't sound like there's dirt and bearings. Nothing there. That exhaust heat shield doesn't have any oil dripping out of the valve covers and burning onto it. That's clear. Yeah, same on this side. That EGR pipe is good. That's not all bent up. Those things are a pain to take off. They get so hot. Front end, I mean, more plastic in the way, so you can't really see the radiator support. Yeah, you just can't really tell, but that looks, I mean, you know, there's one side of it, that looks fine. That metal down there. The other side looks good. God, what else should I show? I think that's really about it. She's solid. Got EGR pipe on both sides. Interesting. Okay. Obviously, you hear her running. She's running fine. You can hear that clutch fan kicking on and off. Fan clutch. Alright. Yeah, that looks solid. Sorry, that's probably not the best filming. I can't talk and film at the same time. Real quick, I'll show you. Boom. There's a rock chip. And there's one, slightly bigger. I mean, size of my fingertip. So, like that one that one would probably spread. The other one doesn't look like it spread too much, but you never know. So there you go.